Welcome back. Happy to see you all back again after watching the part 1 of the series. You have taken a very important step in becoming rich. If you have not watched the same, my sincere advice is to watch that and take notes, as these are very important financial guidance, coming from world's best financial wizards like Warren Buffett. Do not miss any part of it. Watch till the very end. Take notes wherever necessary. Share with your friends. Needless to say, subscribe to our channel for watching more such meaningful and educative videos. Our only goal is to make you smarter with money. In this segment we'll explore the importance of developing a strong financial mindset. As Warren Buffett believed that your mindset plays a crucial role in your journey towards financial success. So, let's dive in and discover the key principles that will shape your mindset. Educate yourself. Continuous learning is the foundation of a strong financial mindset. Commit to expanding your financial knowledge by reading books, attending seminars, and following reputable financial experts. Immerse yourself in the world of finance, economics, and investing. Understand the principles that drive the markets, study successful investors, and gain insights into various investment strategies. Knowledge is the key that unlocks the doors to financial success. Understand the power of compounding. One of the most powerful concepts in finance is the power of compounding. Start investing early and benefit from the exponential growth that occurs over time. As Warren Buffett often says, "My wealth has come from a combination of living in America, some lucky genes, and compound interest." By investing your savings wisely and allowing them to compound over the long term, you can witness the remarkable growth of your wealth. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow, thanks to the magic of compounding. Avoid unnecessary risks. While taking calculated risks is essential for investment growth, it's important to steer clear of get-rich-quick schemes and speculative investments that could jeopardize your financial stability. Warren Buffett advises against chasing after hot tips or investing in assets you don't fully understand. Invest in businesses or assets with strong fundamentals, solid track records, and long-term potential. Remember, preserving your capital is equally important as growing it. Stay disciplined. Discipline is a cornerstone of successful investing. Create a well-thought-out financial plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Once you have your plan, stick to it. Resist the urge to make impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations or emotions. As Warren Buffett wisely states, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Stay focused on your long-term goals, maintain a diversified portfolio, and remain disciplined in your investment strategy. Seek professional advice. Consider consulting a certified financial planner or an advisor, who can provide personalized guidance based on your specific circumstances and goals. A trusted financial advisor can help you navigate the complexities of investing, provide insights into tax planning, retirement strategies, and estate planning. They can also offer an objective perspective during market downturns and keep you on track during periods of uncertainty. Choose an advisor who acts in your best interest and has a proven track record of success. In conclusion, developing a strong financial mindset is vital for achieving long-term financial success. By continuously educating yourself, understanding the power of compounding, avoiding unnecessary risks, staying disciplined, and seeking professional advice, you set yourself up for a prosperous financial future. Remember, your mindset is the driving force behind your financial decisions. Embrace these principles, stay focused on your goals, and let your strong financial mindset guide you towards wealth and success. As Warren Buffett said, the most important investment you can make is in yourself. So invest in your financial education, cultivate a disciplined approach, and let your knowledge and mindset pave the way to financial freedom. Next part is to explore the importance of nurturing a long-term wealth strategy. Warren Buffett firmly believes that by incorporating these principles into your financial planning, you can build a solid foundation for long-term wealth accumulation. So, let's dive in and discover the key strategies that will shape your financial future. Plan for retirement. Retirement may seem far away for fresh graduates, but it's never too early to start planning. Begin saving for retirement as early as possible to take advantage of the power of compounding. Explore tax-advantaged retirement accounts such as individual retirement accounts, IRAs, or Roth IRAs. In India, invest in PPF, NPS and pension plans of insurance companies with a long-term horizon. Contributions to these accounts can provide significant tax advantages and grow tax-free or tax-deferred over time. Make it a habit to consistently contribute to your retirement savings and increase your contributions as your income grows. By starting early and maximizing your contributions, you can build a substantial nest egg for a comfortable retirement. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is one of the best investments you can make. Continuously enhance your education and skills to enhance your earning potential and stay relevant in a dynamic job market. Seek opportunities for professional development, attend seminars, take courses, and stay updated with industry trends. Develop a growth mindset and be open to learning new skills that can expand your career opportunities and increase your earning potential. Remember, your skills and knowledge are assets that appreciate over time. Consider real estate investments. Real estate investments offer a unique avenue for diversification and long-term wealth accumulation. Consider exploring the potential of real estate, such as rental properties or real estate investment trusts, REITs. Rental properties can provide a consistent stream of passive income. Conduct thorough market research, identify locations with strong rental demand, and assess the potential for attractive rental yields. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer a more diversified approach to real estate investing, allowing you to invest in a portfolio of properties without the need for direct ownership. Research different types of real estate investments, understand the risks and rewards, and consider how real estate can fit into your overall investment strategy. Entrepreneurship and side hustles. Consider starting a business or pursuing side hustles to generate additional income streams and increase your wealth building potential. Entrepreneurship offers the opportunity to create value, build assets, and generate wealth on your own terms. Identify your passions, talents, and areas of expertise to explore entrepreneurial opportunities that align with your interests. Additionally, side hustles can provide a supplemental income stream and help you diversify your sources of revenue. Look for ways to leverage your skills or pursue your interests outside of your primary job. These additional income streams can contribute significantly to your long-term wealth accumulation. Once you have achieved financial success, consider giving back to society through charitable donations or supporting causes that align with your values. Philanthropy allows you to make a positive impact on the world while also providing personal fulfillment. Identify causes that resonate with you and explore ways to contribute, whether through monetary donations, volunteering your time, or leveraging your skills to support nonprofit organizations. Giving back not only helps those in need but also brings a sense of purpose and fulfillment to your life. In conclusion, nurturing a long-term wealth strategy involves planning for retirement, investing in yourself, exploring real estate investments, considering entrepreneurship and side hustles, and practicing philanthropy. By incorporating these strategies into your financial journey, you can lay the groundwork for long-term wealth accumulation and financial security. Remember, building wealth is not just about accumulating money, it's about making meaningful contributions, continuously learning and growing, and creating a positive impact on the world. Hope you have noted the major actionables. If not, watch both the videos again and make relevant notes. You may have to revisit again after a few months till you internalize the advice given. We will be putting many such informative and life-changing videos on our channel. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. You need not watch or read anything else on financial matters. Best of luck on your journey to financial success and fulfillment.